Hello kids, welcome to Dikshansh EduTech. I am Deepa, your English subject teacher. Today I am going to teach you class LKG English. Today's topic is sound of vowel U. Today's topic is what? Sound of vowel U. We learn A vowel sound, E, I, O in previous videos. Today we learn sound of vowel U. The phonic sound is U is U. Short U sounds like short U sounds. Okay, here we learn short vowels U sound. Okay, there are 5 vowels sound in English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. Today we learn U sound, short U sounds. Okay, S, U, N, S plus U, N, sun. This is the picture of sun. B, U, G, bug. This is the picture of bug, insect. S, U, B, sub. This is the picture of sub. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. Okay. C-U-B, cup. C-U-B, cup. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. C-U-P, cup. This is the picture of cup. B-U-D, bud. B-U-D, bud. Okay, S plus UN, sun. B-U-G, bug. S-U-B, sub. N-U-T, nut. C-U-B, cup. B-U-S, bus. C-U-P, cup, and B-U-D, bud. Now, next. Here we learn UN, family words. Here we learn what? UN, family words. UN, un. UN, un. Okay. B plus UN, B plus UN, B plus on, bun. This is the picture of bun. Okay. B-U-N, bun. F-U-N, for plus UN, un, fun. F-U-N, fun. S plus UN, sa plus un, sun. S-U-N, sun. This is sun. Okay. G-U-N, g plus un, gun. G-U-N, children, gun. N-U-N, n plus un, none. R-U-N, r plus un, run. R-U-N, run. Okay. Read one again. B-U-N, bun. F-U-N, fun. S-U-N, sun. G-U-N, gun. N-U-N, none. R-U-N, run. Okay. Here we learn UN, family word. Un, family word. Now next. UP. Here we learn UP, family word. Up. UP, pronunciation up. Okay. C-U-P, sir, K plus U-P, cup. C pronunciation here, K. C-U-P, cup. P-U-P, up, pup. S-U-P, up, what? Sup. Okay? C-U-P, cup. P-U-P, pup. S-U-P, sup. Okay? Up family word. We read it? Yes. Now next, U-B. U-B, up. Family words. Here we learn U-B, family words. Up words. Okay. C-U-B, cub. Ka, C pronunciation is what? Ka. Ka-ab, cub. N-U-B, na plus ab, what? Nub. Okay. S-U-B, as pronunciation, sa. Sa plus ab, sup. H-U-B, H, ha. Ha plus ab, hub. R-U-B, R, ra plus ab, rub. Okay. T-U-B, ta plus ab, tub. Okay. C-U-B, cub. N-U-B, nub. S-U-B, sub. H-U-B, hub. R-U-B, rub. And T-U-B, tub. Up family words. Here we learn up family words. U-P, U-B, up, and U-P, up. Okay. Here we learn two family words, up and up. Okay. Now next, UD family words. UD, ud. UD, ud. Okay. B-U-D, bud. B, ba. B pronunciation is ba. U-D, ud. Bud. B-U-D, bud. C-U-D, cud. C-U-D, cud. Okay. M-U-D, mud. Mud. Okay. This is mud. S-U-D. S-U-D, sa-ud. Shud. Okay. Read one again, children. B-U-D, bud. C-U-D, cut. M-U-D, mud. S-U-D, shut. Here we learn UD family word, children. Now, next. UG. Here we learn UG family word. Okay, ugh. UG pronunciation is ugh. The phonic sound is ugh here. Okay. Now read it, children. M-U-G, ma plus ugh, mug. M-U-G, mug. J-U-G, ja plus ugh, jug. R-U-G, ra plus ugh, rug. The pronunciation is rug. T-U-G, ugh, tug. T-U-G, tug. B-U-G, ugh. B-U-G, bug. H-U-G, ha plus ugh, hug. Okay, hug. S-L-U-G, slug. S-L-U-G, slug. Okay. P-L-U-G, plug. P-L-U-G, plug. D-U-G, plus ugh, dug. D-U-G, dug. Okay. S-N-U-G, snug. S-N-U-G, snug. Snug. P-U-G, pug. P-U-G, pug. Okay. Read one again. Here we learn what family sound? U-G, ugh. Yes. M-U-G, mug. J-U-G, jug. R-U-G, rug. T-U-G, tug. H-U-G, hug. And B-U-G, bug. D-U-G, dug. S-N-U-G, snug. S-L-U-G, slug. P-L-U-G, plug. And P-U-G, pug. Okay. Now, U-T. Okay. U-T, ut family words. Here we learn ut family's words. First we read it with the help of pictures. G-U-T, gut. G-U-T, gut. Okay. T-U-T, tut. N-U-T, nut. C-U-T, cut. S-H-U-T, shut. S-H-U-T, shut. S-T-R-U-T, strut. R-U-T, rut. J-U-T, jet. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. Okay. B-U-T, but. Okay, this is U-T, outwards. Okay, read one again. G-U-T, gut. Yes, T-U-T, what? Tut. And U-T, yes, nut. C-U-T, cut. Okay. S-H-U-T, shut. H-U-T, hut. B-U-T, but. And J-U-T, jut. This is UT, Art Family Words. We learn here. Okay. Now here we learn U sound vowels word. Just like here UP, upwards, jugward, UG, upwards, and CUB, upwards. Okay. Here we learn. Read it only. Okay. Without help of pictures. UP, up, UG, ug. Okay. UB, up. CUB, what? Cub. PUB, pub. SUB, sub. DUP, dup. UP, up. Okay. We read with the help of pictures in this video. Here without pictures. Okay. Only read the words. Upwards. Okay. CUP, cub. PUP, pub. SUP, sub. TUP, dup. And UP, up. UG, ug. Okay. JUG, yes, jug. What? RUG, what? What we read? Rug. MUG, mug. LUG, lug. And TUG, tug. Okay. CUB, cup. TUP, tub. RUB, rub. HUB, hub. And PUP, pub. Okay. This is the words. U sounds words. Okay. Now we read U sounds sentences. Okay. We read first words, U sound words, and then we read U sound sentences. LOOK, look at the SUN. Yes, sun. Look at the sun. This is the picture of sun. Look at the sun. See the sun here. Okay. LOOK, look. AT, at. THE, the. CUB, up sounds here. CUB, cub. Okay. Cub. This is the picture of curve. Look at the curve. See the curve here. Okay. Then this is a SUB, sub plus up, sub. Okay. This is sub picture. I am in the TUB, tub plus up, tub. I am in the tub. Okay. Read one again. Look at the SUN, sun. Look at the curve. This is a sub. I am in the tube tub. This is U sound. What? Words or sentences? Yes, sentences, not words. This is also U sound sentences. Okay. This, 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 IS, is a HUT, hut. This is a hut. This is a hut. LOOK, look. AT, at. THE, the. BUN, bun. Look at the bun. Okay. See the bun. Okay. SHE, she is in the MUD, mud. She is in the Where? M-U-D, mud. Okay, कीचड़ में है. M-U-D, mud. This, T-H-I-S. T-H-I-S, this. I-S is M-Y. My. P-U-P. P plus U-P, what? Yes, pup. Dog young ones. Okay, baby of dogs. Pup, puppy. Yes. Read one again. This is a hut. Okay. Look at the barn. She is in the mud. This is my pup. Means puppy. Okay. Now do worksheet children here. Okay. UT word family. Choose the correct word based on the picture given. Choose the correct one. Circle the correct one. Okay, this is scissor. Scissor what? Do here. Scissor cut the paper. Look at the picture. Yes. This is hut. No. This is nut. No. This is cut. Yes. Cutting the paper. Scissor. With the help of scissor, cutting the paper. Okay. This is the picture of what? Home. What we call this type of home? C-U-T cut. No. H-U-T hut. Yes. We call it hut. What is this? Yes, this is cut. No, this is hut. No, this is the picture of what? Nut. ये बादाम है. Okay. Match the picture with the correct answer. Okay, this is the picture of what? Yes, hut. And this is the scissor cut. Yes, cut the cloth. This is N-U-T, nut. And this is shut the door. Okay. And this one is rut. Okay. Match it. H-U-T, hut. Here written hut. C-U-T, cut. Nut कहाँ है बच्चों? N-U-T, nut. And see the spelling of shirt. S-H-U-T. Where written shirt? S-H-U-T, shirt. Okay. This is rut. Match it. Yes, we match it easily. Now, next. Fill the blanks with correct letters. Okay, we fill it with correct letters. This is the picture of school. What? School vehicle we call it? Yes, bus. Spelling of bus? B-U-S. Bus. The name of this bird? Yes. What? Duck. D. Spelling of duck? D-U-C-K. Duck. Okay. This is the picture of barn. B-U-N. Barn. This is the picture of rug. R-U-G. Rug. And this one is the picture of cup. C-U-P. Cup. And this is the sign of what? Up. U-P. Up. Read one again. This is bus. This one is rug, duck, cup, burn and up. Okay. Now word to picture matching. Here we match the correct picture. Okay. What given here? B-U-D, bird. B-U-G, bug. B-U-N, burn. J-U-G, jug. C-U-B, cup. C-U-P, cup. B-U-D, bird. Where bird? Yes, here. Bird. B-U-G, bug. Bug is insect. Yes. Then B-U-N, bun. Bread. Yes. J-U-G, jug. Here the picture of jug. C-U-B, cup. This is cup. Okay. C-U-P, cup. This is the picture of cup. Now we match it. Yes, match it. Now next, read the sentences, then match the picture. Okay. The bugs run in the mud. The bugs, T-H-E, the B-U-G-S, bugs, R-U-N, run in the mud. The bugs run in the mud. Where the bugs run in the mud? Here. Yes. T-H-E, the B-U-G-S, bugs run on the rug. Yes. Where the picture of rug? This is. Okay. The tub is on the rug. Where the tub is? In the rug. This one is the picture of rug. We match it with the picture sentence. Okay. Now next, look at the pictures below, then read the words below each picture. Circle the word that matches the picture. Okay. Choose the correct one. Circle the correct one. Okay. This is the picture of what? Yellow round. Yes. Sub. No. Sun. Yes. Sun. Not fun. This is red. Vehicle. Bun. But or bus. Yes. We call it bus. This is the picture of which fruit? Plug. Plus or plum. Yes. Plum. This is slug. S-L-U-G. Slug. And this is the picture of gum. G-U-M. Gum. And this is the picture of what? C-U-P. Cup. This one sun. This one bus. This one is plum, slug, gum and cup. And the phonics sound. Words with short. Here we read U sound now. Yes. Direction, read the sentences and choose the picture that matches the sentences. Okay. Circle the picture which is correct one. Okay. L-O-O-K. Look at the hot bun. Which is the picture of bun? Yes, this one, bun. I hug my mom. I hug my mom. This is bug, this is mom and girl. A bug in a cup. A bug is where? In a cup. Okay. A pup in the mud. Puppy were sitting in the mud. The bus is here. The bus is where? Here. This is yellow color bus. I can run fast. Here the child running portion. Okay. I can run fast. Okay. Today we learn U sound, new words and sentences, children. Am I right? Yes. Okay. Here we learn U sound, new words and sentences. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.